they were able to confirm that Bantay Nguyen is the same person who inadvertently left behind the Louis Vuitton bag. Now, during the implementation of the search warrant, the agents, together with the required witnesses, they were able to found and seize millions worth of ecstasy tablets and ketamine, together with several teddy bears.
Inilalagay niya dito sa mga teddy bear. Ito pa, marami pang nakakuha. Yan na inilalagay, so for delivery dun sa kanyang mga clients. Okay, so hindi mapupuna na alay nagtuloy lang ng teddy bear. So yun ang modus operandi niya.
Sir,
and we recovered this during the search.
Sa tinitirahan niya po. Opo. Opo.